welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today I am going to be reviewing a knife from a company I have not really reviewed before, so this is pretty cool. The company is Three Rivers MFG. They are making some sweet things. I'm incredibly impressed. This is my first knife from them. This is the TRM Atom, and holy moly, you guys, they have put some thought into this. The details on this knife are amazing, and I can't wait to really like hone in some of these so you guys can understand what I mean. But I love reviewing knives of companies that really pay attention to detail and do a great overall job. So let's start with specs. Let's get those out of the way, and then I'll give you guys a rundown on the good things. Okay, so overall length is 8 3/16 of an inch. Handle length 4 and 11/16 of an inch. Blade length 3.5 inches, and the blade thickness is 0.90. You guys, this weighs 3 ounces, and most of the knives of this company weigh 3 ounces. I like that. I like that this is a company that kind of goes for the lightweight factor in knives. It's kind of one of their things that they do as a company. And as a woman, I love that. You guys know I'm a sucker for a couple of things when it comes to knives. One of them is an all black knife. The other one is a lightweight factor. Again, it's because of the way I carry my knives. I do need them to be lightweight just based on lifestyle. I have explained this before in many reviews, so I appreciate that feature in a knife. Lightweight, for me, it's a really high point. Let's talk about the blade. So the blade is freaking gorgeous. It has a thumb stud opening mechanism. This one is a 20 CV made in the US. Premium steel, you guys. Amazing for edge retention and corrosion resistance. Great choice. This is a premium knife. It actually retails for $200. It's also sold out in most of their versions. And I love it so much. I think it's great. Did I forget anything on the blade? Oh, it is a full flat blind, of course. I think you guys got that. Amazing choice of steel, I think. And I do love their logo. It's right here, and actually I did get a sticker in the mail so you guys can see it close up. Very neatly done, honestly. Very cool little choil layer for sharpening. And I do like the thumb stud. The thumb stud is smooth. Let me show you. See, most thumb studs are a little rough. So this one actually, for some reason, it feels good when I kind of put my hand underneath it to kind of deploy it. I failed there, but it's good. It's really neat. Okay, let's talk about the handle. This is actually my most favorite part because it has some really neat features in here. This handle, it's actually the Starry Night handle. It is one of their limited edition handles, so this one is sold out. I love it. The blues and the yellows, they, I think, make the knife so much cooler. This is a GCarta, and you guys, this company offers over 30-something different handle designs. I'm gonna show you guys because I did get a couple. Let's actually go there now while we're at it. I got a G10 red, and I'm actually gonna change one of these here in this video so that you guys can actually see how it looks. And this is a what they call a Mexican blanket finish. So I honestly think it's gonna look pretty cool. I think I'm gonna change it to this one just so that, you know, we can see something different. I like it very much. I love the customization factor. I think that does something so neat for the customers. So when you go to their website, you can actually see that they have a few different knife styles, but they also sell the, you know, the handle finishes in a separate site. So you can actually get pretty much a custom knife based on what you want, and they do have amazing designs, not just kind of like plain colors, but really neat features, I guess, and different colors based on what you like. Let's talk about this amazing clip, you guys. Look at it. Deep pocket carry. I love, you know, the satin finish that matches the blade. I do love the satin hardware as well, so that's a high point for me when everything matches. I do like that. It looks like it's only for right hand carry, which is fine for me, I guess. And I love it. I do believe this is a titanium. Yeah, it's a titanium deep pocket carry. And there is actually, let's see, titanium thumb studs. So the thumb stud that I showed you guys is titanium as well. And the barrel spacers are also titanium. well done. It is so good looking. I really like it. And you guys, it kind of looks like it's a large knife, but it weighs nothing. 3 ounces for the size of knife. It's amazing. Now, bear with me. I'm actually gonna remove my ring and everything, but I'm going to see if I can get the camera so that I can kind of show you this. I mean, maybe I'll do it. Hold on. Here we go. Look at that. A little crooked, but bear with me. Okay, so I do have my proper tools here. So I'm going to change it to the Mexican blanket one. That was easy peasy. Here's the inside of the knife. Kind of like it like that too. That's kind of super neat. Alright, let's remove the clip. Clip off, and second part of the handle off. Man, that was so easy to do. Wow, I kind of like this. You guys, look at this. That looks amazing. If it wasn't for the fact that it's missing the clip, I mean, I dig it so much. Okay, now let's try the Mexican blanket. I guess this one is the one that goes here. Oh, that's looking pretty nice. That's kind of easy peasy, you guys. I thought I was gonna have to speed this up, but I might not even have to do that. When I build up goat guns, I did a video where I built this miniature toy replica gun. I did have to speed that one up. Okay, one side done. Look how cool that looks. Oh my gosh, that is really neat. Okay guys, change of plans. After a million hours of trying to add this side, I realized that perhaps it actually doesn't fit. So I'm actually gonna do something cool. I'm gonna do the Mexican blanket on one side and the G10 on the other one, just for fun. Because, you know, honestly, in a way, I can actually show you guys both. So I guess this will be really the moment of truth to see if it really was the fact that the thing didn't fit, or that I'm kind of like not cut for this task. Now that this is done, let me show you. So now we have the Mexican blanket and the red G10 on the back. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold your horses. There we go. Okay, now it's completed. Oh, you know what? I kind of dig. Do you guys have you guys done this before with your knives? I like this. I might keep it like this. I kind of like it. Look at that. Sweet. So the red G10 and the Mexican blanket Micarta, GCarta. Okay guys, I think that does it for this review. I will have to speed this up a little bit. If you guys like what I do, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and commenting. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for a little bit of lifestyle. I have a Patreon. If you are a little bit of a fan and you want to see some exclusive photo shoots, get some exclusive stickers, and some more perks, go over there. I have a membership channel here also on YouTube. The works everywhere. All the links are in the description of this video. As always, I will see you guys again in another knife review or creative concealed carry idea very soon, and I hope you have an amazing day.